Hello dear students, good morning all of you. Welcome to Chatty Coaching classes. Today we are learning your 9th mathematics chapter, that is real numbers. In previous video we have studied the properties of rational numbers. Okay, rational number are those type of numbers who come in format p by q, whereas q is not equal to 0. Okay, we have studied the properties of rational number. There are total 4 properties which we used for rational number for the operations in mathematics like addition and multiplication. I have provided that properties to you in the PDF format. Okay, copy that properties in your notebook so that you can read that anytime. You have to always revise those properties and formulas so that it will get clear or it will get fixed in your mind. Okay, now today we will start with the new point of your chapter, that is decimal of any rational number. Okay, if we divide any number, the remainder comes 0, 0, and this type of decimal form is called as terminating type, and remainder doesn't come 0. There will be always some numbers and the division comes so long. So this type of division or this type of decimal form is called as non-terminating type of decimal form. See, decimal form of rational number is divided into 2 types, that is terminating type of decimal form and non-terminating type. Non-terminating type is also known as recurring type. Okay, see, decimal form of rational number is either terminating type or non-terminating type. Now I will tell you what is meant by terminating and what is meant by non-terminating. See, if the remainder will be 0, then it will be terminating. Okay, see, 2 upon 5. We will divide this so that you will know 5, so we will get 0. Okay, we will get point, so we will add 0 over here. 5 fours are 20, so 20 minus 20 is 0. You can see remainder is 0 over here, and you will get answer 0.4. Okay, same like minus 7 upon 64, you will get minus 0.109375, and here the remainder will be 0. So answer will be minus 0.109375. That's it. Here third example is 101 upon 8 is equal to 12.625. Okay, if we divide 8 by 101, the answer will come like 12.625. These all are terminating because division will be get up to some time and you will get the remainder 0, 0. That's why such type of division, such type of decimal form is called terminating type. And see another one, non-terminating one. Do you know the movie Terminator? What is Terminator? Everything is finished and all. That of type 17 upon 36 is equal to 0.47222 and so on. It will go so on, and here is 222 constant. So we will just add the 0, we will add just a point on the head of 2. So we can write the answer of this like 0.472 and point on 2. Because 2 is getting constantly so on, there is not coming remainder 0 over here. It is just varying constantly. So 0.4702, we will write 2 at a once because it is coming same like 2, 2, 2, 2 and so on, and we will add a point on the head of 2. Okay, next example, see, 33 upon 26 is equal to 1 upon 26923076230 and so on. See how long is this? So what we can do is we have to just write 1.2692307 and we have to have to draw a line over the head of these numbers. Okay, see next, 56 upon 37 is 513 and it is continuing. So 513 is getting repeated. So what we will do, 1.513 and the line. The line represents that this number is repeating constantly. Therefore, we had line on the head of this number, that is 513. You can see 513, again 513, again 513, and it will go on constantly. So what we will do is, 1 point, the repeating numbers are 513. So we had drawn the line on the head of 513. This is terminating type of decimal form of rational number, and this is non-terminating type or recurring type of rational number. These two are the types of decimal forms of rational number. Now we will move towards the next. See, we have studied how to determine the decimal form, that is terminating and non-terminating. Okay, two types of decimal forms of rational number. First one is terminating and another one is non-terminating or recurring. See, we will see the question, then you will understand it. Express recurring decimal form in P by Q form. Okay, P by Q is the form of rational number. If you remember, rational number is, we denote, like we write the rational number in the format like this, P upon Q. What we have to do, we have to express recurring decimal in P by Q form. Okay, what is the recurring decimal? 0.777 and so on. We have to express it in recurring decimal form upon P upon Q. See, solution, let x is equal to 0.777. So what we can write, like 0.7 and dot on head of 7, because 7 is getting repeated constantly. So one number of before 0, therefore we will take it as 10x is equal to 7.777 and so on. So we can write it as 7.7. Okay, because we have 10 take over here, 10 taken 10 over here. So 10x minus x is equal to 10x. What is the value of 10x? It is 7.7. Okay, and what is the value of x? It is 0.7. So 0.7 and dot on head. So 10x minus x is 9x. 9x is equal to 7. See, 7.7 minus 0.7 is 7. So it will be 7. So x is equal to 9 will come here. It is multiply over here. When it will come here, it will be divided. So x is equal to 7.9. And what is the value of x? That is 0.7 and dot on head. So it is 0.777 and so on is equal to 7 upon 9. This is how we can express recurring decimal into P upon Q form. We will see the another example. See, example number 2 is 7.529, 529, 529 and so on. We will do solution of these two. See, solution is, let x is equal to this number, that is 7.529, 529, 529 and so on. We can write it as the repetitive term is 529, so we can underline this term on the head of that. So 7 point, this term which is repeating, it is 529. So we have underlined the term. See, 3 numbers are repeating, therefore we will take 3 numbers, therefore it will be 1000. 1000x is equal to, what we will write? 4 numbers are here, so the point will be shifted after 4 numbers. So 7529.529, 529, 529 and so on. How we can write it as 7529 and repeating term 529. See, 7529 and repeating term 529 with the line on the head of that term. After that, 1000x minus x is equal to, the value of 1000x is 7529.529. Okay, and value of x is 7.529. So 1000x minus x is 999x. So 999x is equal to 7522. As we minus this, okay, the remaining term is 7522. Okay. After that, x, we have to find the x. So 999 will come here and it will get divided. Therefore 7522 upon 999. The value of x is 7.529. Okay, and so on. Okay, it's 7529 is equal to 7522 upon 999. This is how we have expressed the recurring decimal form, the recurring decimal in p by q form. Got it? These are the two examples which are of non-terminating type, and we express this example in the form of PQ, that is in the form of rational number. If you got it, if you want it, you can take the screenshot, otherwise you will find it in the book itself. See, we will see the next. In the textbook they have given you in the bracket, like remember this. Note that the number of recurring digits after decimal point in given rational number is accordingly multiply it by 10, 100, 1000. I have told you that. Okay. And notice the prime factors of denominator by rational number. If the prime factors are 2 and or 5 only, then the decimal expression is terminating. You can know that. Okay. Factors, you can see the factors. If factor is 2 and 5 only, then decimal expression is terminating itself. If the prime factors are other than 2 and 5 also, then the decimatal is non-terminating or recurring. The easiest way to understand whether the given expression is terminating or not, what is it? If the terminating factors, if the factors are 2 or 5, then the expression will be of terminating type, and if the factors are other than 2 and 5, then the decimal will be non-terminating type, or the decimal expression will be non-terminating or of recurring type. In next video we will solve your practice set 2.1. Before that, please note down all these, whatever I have told you to note down. I will provide you notes in the PDF format with this video. Do study well. Thank you.